Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into a real SQL interview question that was asked in an e-commerce company, such as Amazon or Flipkart. And trust me, this one tests your logical skills as well as your SQL skills in a practical way. So let's start. Let's say we have two tables, one for customers and one for orders. And the goal is, the goal or the problem statement you could say is we should write a query to find the customer ID and customer name of customers who bought laptop and mouse, but they did not buy keyboard. Okay, so when you go to Amazon, to buy a mobile phone, as soon as you add the mobile phone in your cart, Amazon used to suggest you few of the products that you can buy along with the mobile phone, such as a back case cover or a headphones or a charger. This is called as product recommendation system. Okay, and we're going to do the same thing here, but we're going to do it in SQL. We're going to take the we're going to filter out the details of customers who have bought laptop and a mouse, but they didn't buy keyboard. Okay, and instead of keyboard, you can actually change it to a USB cable or a mouse pad. Like it could be anything, but in this case, we're gonna filter out the customers who didn't buy the keyboard. Okay, so that we can suggest them. Okay. Let's look at the tables. We have the customer table as two columns, customer ID and customer name. Since I just want to explain the concept, I just took the details of only 3 customers and about 7 transactions. Okay, so that you would understand the concept. We have the orders table. Like I said, it has only 7 transactions: order ID, customer ID, and the product name. Okay, so we have 2 tables, and let's start writing the code. I have already uploaded both the tables in my MySQL workbench. Uh, let's check now. So first we'll check the customers table. We have 3 customers, customer ID and customer name. Then we'll go to the orders table. We'll check the orders table. We have the order ID, customer ID, and the product name. Of total, we have of 7 transaction. Okay, and the customer ID and the name of the product what they bought. Okay, now let's start writing the code. So first we'll write the outline. Okay, so there will be a select clause, there will be a from clause. Okay, and since we have 2 tables, one table has the customer details, the other tables has the order details. Obviously we have to join both the tables. So in this case, an inner join would be a better suggestion. So we'll use an inner join. Then what we need to do is inner join. So we'll first write customers as C, inner join, orders as O, on C dot customer ID is equal to O dot customer ID. Okay, so now we have actually written the code for the join. The next step is, now we want to analyze each customer's complete set of purchases. So we group by customers. Okay, and since we want to retrieve both customer ID and customer name, will include both the columns in the group by clause. Group by customer ID and customer name. Okay, and now till now we have actually selected the column that we want to retrieve, and we have joined the two tables, that is customer tables and the order tables, on the basis of customer ID. So, and then we have grouped the customer ID and the customer name. Okay, now in order to filter the customers who have bought no, who has bought the laptop and the mouse but didn't buy keyboard, we need to specify a condition. Okay, and when you use group by, you can specify condition through the having clause. So we'll include the having and what we will do is we'll use the sum function with conditional logic to count if the customer has bought a specific product. Okay, so the code would look like sum o dot product name is equal to laptop close parenthesis greater than 0. Okay, so what this function does is, like for example, customer ID 1 has bought the laptop once. Okay, so it will give us 1, and since we need to find the customers who has bought the laptop at least once, hence we use the greater than sign here. Okay, it should be greater than 0. 1 is greater than 0, so obviously it will return customer ID 1 for this condition. Okay, so another important thing that you should know is sum with a condition behaves like a count function. Okay, even though we have written the sum function here, this basically behaves like a count function. Okay, so we'll write this, and we'll include an and operator. Because we have to find both laptop as well as mouse. So we'll write the same condition. Let's copy paste this. But instead of laptop, we'll write mouse. It means that customers who has bought laptop as well as mouse, both will be filtered out. Now we have to filter out the customers who didn't buy the keyboard. So we'll write another and clause. We'll paste the same condition. Instead of laptop, we'll see keyboard. But now the main thing you need to do is remove this greater than sign and put an equal to sign, not the greater than. It means that this particular customer didn't buy the keyboard. Customer who go through this condition, it will be like he should have bought the laptop, he should have bought the mouse, but he didn't buy the keyboard. So this condition, make sure we get the right customers. Okay, so now at the end we have to use the order by clause to order the output by customer name and close parentheses. Now let's run the code and check. Let's go. Okay, it says ambiguous. Okay, I didn't put this alias here. We'll take the data from the customer table itself, because the customer table has a customer name. C dot customer ID, customer name. We have done alias everywhere. Okay, here group by customer ID, group by customer name. Okay, now okay, fine, we got the output as Ben, customer ID to Ben. Let's go to the order table and cross check this answer whether we got the right one or not. When we look at the orders table, customer ID 1, he has bought laptop, mouse and a keyboard, so he has bought all the three, so hence he is not being included from the condition. And customer ID 2 has bought only laptop and mouse, he didn't buy the keyboard, hence we got the output as customer ID 2. Customer ID 3 has bought only USB cable. He didn't buy laptop or he didn't buy mouse, hence he was not included in the output. Okay, so our code works fine. So that's about it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Okay. I'll be uploading more videos on SQL interview questions as well as Python tutorials, Power BI projects. So if you're preparing for data roles or just want to level up your skills, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications. And thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.